Russia has formally announced its invasion of Ukraine after weeks of anticipation. The residents of Ukraine's capital, Kyiv, woke up to sounds of air sirens at dawn as explosions could be heard throughout the capital and several cities near the front line and along the country's coast. According to the international news agency AFP, explosions were also heard in the Black Sea port city of Odessa. After weeks of anticipation, Russian President Vladimir Putin officially announced that his armies have invaded the border country of Ukraine, even as the world was trying to de-escalate the situation diplomatically. Meanwhile, 4 loud blasts rang out in Karmotsky, a frontline city that serves as Ukraine's government's effective capital for the eastern war zone, and more were heard in the eastern port city of Mariupol. Ukraine closed its airspace to civilian airplanes as the country announced a full-scale invasion. Ukraine's President Zelensky addressed the people and announced imposition of martial law and further urged his people not to panic, adding that Ukraine will defeat everyone.
In Ukraine on Thursday, with explosions heard across the country and its foreign minister warning a full-scale invasion was underway. Within a few hours of Putin's speech, Russia's defense ministry said that it had neutralized Ukrainian military air bases and its air defense systems. In his televised address, Putin justified the operation by claiming the government was overseeing a genocide in the eastern